Hey guys, it's fitness coach and IFBB Bikini Pro Denetrabfit, aka Denetrabfit, and these are my 3 easy steps to get you to lose weight now. Step number 1. Move more. I know it sounds super basic and simple, but it's the truth. Okay, now you do not need to go running. I hate running. I hate running. I never run. I'm one of those people that sits on the porch with my coffee and I look outside and I see people running and I'm like, but why? That's just me. But if you love to run, that's great. I highly recommend doing something that you like to do. Me personally, I just like to walk. So I like to walk outside. You can walk with your dogs. You can walk on a treadmill. You can take a hike. You can also, bike ride. You can go to the gym and walk on a treadmill, walk on a stair climber, do the elliptical. I do not care. You just need to move more. When I get new clients, the first thing I ask them is, what do you do for a living? And a lot of people right now, especially in this world, is working from home. So they're just telling me yeah, I don't have a treadmill at home. I don't have anything to do cardio. And I'm like, cardio is literally just moving. You can just go outside for a walk. So a lot of my clients now, they wake up, they do morning walks, and then maybe end lunch, they go out for another walk, and then after dinner, they go out for a walk. We just need you to move more. So if you don't know how much you move, I highly encourage you using a step counter, get a step watch, a fitness watch. Your phone also can track your steps too, and just see how much you move. If you start noticing that you only move 2,000, maybe 3,000 steps a day, then all you do is you go, okay, new goal. I'm gonna go from 2,000 steps to 3,000 steps a day, or 3,000 steps to 4,000 steps a day. And you can slowly increase from there and just get moving. And I promise you, you will start seeing the weight come off. Next easy step you can do is change your eating habits. One of the things I do, especially when I get new clients, is I'm like, okay, for the next 21 days, I want you to not eat out. And they go, what? I'm like, yes, just don't go eat out. They're like, well, what do I eat at home? I'm like, I don't care. Eat whatever you want to eat. You just have to make it at home. You cannot go out to eat. You want a cheeseburger and a fry? Don't go down to your local McDonald's. Go to your local grocery store. Grab the bun, grab your beef, grab some cheese, and cook it on the grill. Take those fries from the frozen section and just air fry them, okay? Cook them at home. I promise you a cheeseburger and a fry that you make at home will have way less calories, will have less fat, and have way less sodium than that local burger joint down the street. Tell you something, those fast food places, honey, they don't care about you. They are getting the cheapest products they can get. And you deserve better than that. Make spaghetti at home, make cheeseburger and fries at home, make pizza at home. It doesn't have to just be a boring salad. You just need to start changing your eating habits. And eating at home, one, you'll save more money, you'll feel better, and you start to see that, hey, I'm losing weight and I'm still eating things I like. The last easy step you can do to lose some weight is simply drink more water. I know, all of us fitness people are telling you, drink more water, drink more water. But it's because it's true and you're not drinking enough water. Doesn't need to be complicated. I always tell people, take your body weight, divide it by 2, and that's how many ounces of water you should have a day. So for example, if you weigh 150 pounds, divided by 2 gives you 75. Shoot for 75 ounces of water a day, okay? And I say 75 ounces of water. 75 ounces of pure, clear water. If it's hard for you to switch to water, you can always go to your local store and get Crystal Light or anything to add some flavor. But start getting used to having water. You can add cucumbers and lemon and mint to flavor your water. And then you can also start trying, if you love soda, like Denetra, well, I love soda. I need soda. Okay, I understand that. Maybe instead of having 3 cans of Coca-Cola, you switch to 2 cans. And then after a couple weeks, you switch to 1 can a day. I highly recommend just switching to 0 sugar. Now, I know everyone's like, I hate diet soda. I didn't say diet, okay? Diet was what your mom had in the 80s. This is 2022, okay? They got 0 sugar now. Dr. Pepper figured out how to keep the same taste with no sugar, okay? Technology is awesome. Thank you, soda god. And you can get zero sugar Dr. Pepper, Sprite, zero sugar Sunkist, because you know I love orange soda. Then switch to that instead. I promise you. That taking out soda and switching to zero sugar would take out so many calories and so many carbs. And you can still get that taste you like. So guys, again, this is fitness coach and IFBB Bikini Pro, Denetrabfit. If you have any questions or comment, please just comment below. I am more than happy to help. I hope you guys enjoy those tips and good luck on your fitness journey.